Most marketers are spending a lot of money in national media advertising their product or brand. Yet they don't know what their advertising dollars are generating for them in terms of sales or revenue. At Chief Media, we've developed a system called Continuum that tracks every media dollar, the revenue it generates, and the lifetime value of the customers that they acquire from their media dollars. Whether you're running a brand-oriented campaign or a direct response campaign, Continuum can tell you the efficiency of every dollar that you spend in media. So how does an advertiser see the effectiveness of all their media dollars spent? Continuum's TMO feature imports Nielsen ratings data to allow for allocation of online activity back to the traditional media airings that drove it. So now for the first time in our industry, you can see the true effectiveness and the ROI associated with every traditional media airing, whether it happened online or at a call center or at retail. So how do you learn more about Continuum? Click on the link below or give us a call and learn more about how national brand marketers and national direct response marketers are embracing this cutting-edge technology to generate efficiencies that they have never seen before.